right here in my hot little hand is our February 2026 So Simple box. And let's dive in to see what all is in this box this month. Okay. First thing first, it is Milk and Honey, February 2026. I can kind of tell this is tending to be a little bit of Lori Holt. And I can see that by looking right here. And yes, I am right. I think it's her newest line. I'm just gonna come out right on. This is a Lori Holt box. I just looked in there. With that said, I am going to let you know what is coming down from the Fat Quarter Shop. Starting in May of 2026, they're going to be doing a sew along with the animals right here. And it's called Farmyard Friends. So if you want to join in, you can look in the website for detail. And then we have some discount code that I just covered right here. So with that, this comes in every single month in the So Simple box. And the first thing that I'm going to take out from this box is going to be this super cute, crazy small ruler. This ruler is 1.5 by 2.5, okay? And this is what it looks like. This is so tiny. Let me show you. So a while back, they sent us, I don't think there's any ruler smaller than 1.5 inch. So this one is 1.5 by 2.5. I mean, if you have creative grid ruler and you get So Simple box, you know you have from the tiniest, and then now we have this second tiny ruler, very small and is very cute. And I'm pretty sure we're going to need it for the project that is in here. So the price for this tiny ruler is going to be $9.49. That's that. The next thing that we have in our box is right here. This is an evergreen item right here that you are going to need for as long as you are cutting fabric and sewing anything that's related to fabric. So this is an Ofo 45mm rotary blade. This is $13.48. There's no need for me to explain. It cuts like butter, okay? So that is that. Next is this. It's a foundation paper designed by Lori Holt, and it is called Vintage Milkmaid Star. So this is what it looks like. And the price for this right here is $13.98. We received so many papers that one day I'm just gonna make it I'm gonna make one foundation paper block of all of the paper that we've received and just put them in one quilt. I think it's big enough for a quilt. So that's that. Our next item is our flower and quilt along that we have been sewing. So this is what it looks like this month. This is block number 11, y'all, and I'm still at block number 5. I need to do some catch up. That is $4.98. All right, this right here is our exclusive pattern. This is the butter churn table runner pattern, and this table runner measured at 16 by 28. You are going to need this paper to make this pattern using this fabric. You will still need additional fabric to make this table runner. You would need, background is 7/8, binding is 3/8, backing is going to be 3/4 of a yard. And it has some rickrack right here. See that? It has a rickrack on the edges. You will still need to purchase that if you choose to use rickrack. I have had my experience with rickrack. I like the look after it's done. I don't like to do the extra work, so there you have it. I love the way it looks. If I can have somebody do it for me, yes. That said, the price for this right here is $9.98. This is exclusive to the box. Last but not least, and the reason why you subscribe to So Simple box is the fabric, right? Who doesn't want fabric? Even though you have a room full of it, you still want some new one, right? I know, me too. So anyways, this month box is Lori Holt. This is her newest line and is the Farmer's Daughter line. And the first fabric here, I'm gonna open it up. So there you go. Some pink chickens. And this one has gray chicken. This is her floral, her farm, like kind of like farmhousey kind of fabric. This is cute, green, and then some orange. And then you have some like a pumpkin like yellow fall looking color. And then you have pink flower, and then you have green, and then you have red, and then you have kind of like a lighter turquoise, very pretty. Oh wow, this is like a darker blue with the turquoise. I've not seen that. This is pretty too. This right here, if you're doing a fall pumpkin, buy this before it runs out because it is very, very pretty. See how it's coming through the camera? It looks better in person. And this is a turquoisey, and this is another orange right here. And you have another green, and then you have your backgrounds right here. This is kind of pretty. This is her chicken wire kind of background fabric. I'm not sure how it's coming through on camera. Let me put it close so y'all can see. It's not focusing, but there you go. Yep, it's focusing now. There you go. And you have, last but not least, this has got kind of like a newspaper print kind of fabric. Overall, very pretty. I'm not a fan of the chicken on the fabric, but otherwise, this is really nice. I like the vintage kind of fabric. I know I can mix and match it within my project. The price for this junior layer cake is $24.98. So there you have it. This is what came in our 2026 February Sew Sampler box. The total in this box was $76.89. So the value's there. You have the layer cake. This by itself with a little bit of fabric can make a quilt. If you choose not to make the table runner, you can make this lovely quilt using this fabric right here. So you don't have to make the table runner. That's why 5/4 Shop gives you an alternate kind of pattern to use. Well, friend, that's all I have for you. That's what came in our February 2026 Sew Sampler box. I hope you are having a great day wherever you are at. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and I would love to see you in my next video.